the saga of the Power Wagon, Pete's Power Wagon. What a trip it's been. Take a look at the hood. They did a fine job on the hood, I must admit. You cannot see at all where the big dent was.
Called me a bald-faced liar.
You've already talked about that.
Tell him that?
Pete, keep it up and I'll turn the camera off. As you can see, they did a great job. So the dealership made us a deal. They are going to take this truck back because it is a lemon. Yes, again, I'm going to say it is a lemon. It has major electrical problems that cannot be fixed.
Alignment issues.
So,
about that shit.
We're getting rid of this piece of crap truck and getting a new truck. Hopefully, it will be okay. We're taking the running boards off and the mud flaps Pete bought. We took them off already. And this is soon to be someone else's problem.
What did they tell us over there where I bought it?
I don't know, Pete.
They said we can go ahead and pull your truck in the shop, and we can tear the dash out, and we can take the steering column off, and we can dismantle everything. But is that what you really fucking want? Don't remember that.
Yes, I remember that, Pete, and I'm sure you've told everybody that 15 times. All I want is for this to be over so I don't have to listen to him bitch and complain and scream and holler and cuss and raving around.
This has been a fucking nightmare. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, and you don't make it any easier.
Okay, but the real deal is they should have handled this situation. Look what the hell's going on here. Look at this. Who the fuck put a gouge in my motherfucking mirror? I don't fucking believe it. Alright, so basically what Minnie the Body Shop girl's saying is the dealership where I purchased this truck has agreed to trade the truck out for another truck. They're going to go ahead and pay this truck off, and then I will get another truck. So we're going to head over to the dealership, and hopefully it's going to be a good situation where nobody's going to be bitching and hollering. Are you going with me or not?
No.
Why not? Where are you going?
Because I don't need to go, Pete. I got stuff to do. Business to take care of. You're a fucking ass. And everybody knows it. Yes, Pete is an ass.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. I think I had a right to bitch and holler about my motherfucking truck. You're talking close to $60,000 for a fucking vehicle.
Yeah, okay,
That's
wait
been
a
in the
minute.
shop 15 fucking times.
Don't over-exaggerate.
It's been in the shop more than it has on the fucking
You
road.
don't need to scream at me.
Okay?
What I'm tired of, yeah, bitching and hollering is one thing, and yeah, you'll get shit accomplished if you raise your voice and step up, but you go overboard.
No, I don't. Did I get the hood fixed? Am I getting a new truck traded out?
But you didn't need to go to that extreme.
We didn't have to go through the extreme of filing lemon laws and all this other shit either and paying fees on that.
You know what I'm talking about, Pete.
Well,
You know what I'm
okay, hold on. Can you come out here for a minute? Come on out here, Minnie the Body Shop girl. Come on. Follow me. Come on over here.
Why don't I go up and look at the roof and put my hand right here?
Come here a minute.
And then you blame it on me.
Can you come over here a second? Come on over here, Minnie the Body Shop girl. Because we're going to look at that brand new Jeep. Come on over here a minute. Come on. No, come here. Come here. Will you just come here a second?
No, I'm not.
Okay, fine. So here's Minnie's brand new Jeep. I want everybody to look real close on the fender well lip. It's not this one. That right there. Can everybody see that? Okay, what we're looking at there is a chip that Minnie put in it because when she opened the door on the work van, bam, it hit her fender and chipped the paint off right there. Let me tell you something. You didn't want to be here that day. It was World War III for 4 fucking days over that little chip that I can touch up with a fucking brush. So we're gonna go over to the dealership. Hopefully they'll talk to me about this truck and they'll get the situation down where everything will probably hopefully work out and we'll be driving a new truck home that ain't got no fucking problems. Hopefully. dealership as we drive and talk. Am I relieved of this situation? Pretty much. This is actually the second truck that turned out to be a lemon for me. The first truck I had, the transmission actually completely blew up in it, and I didn't even have the truck a week, so they did take that truck back, no questions asked. But the real deal is the dealership came through, we got what we were supposed to get, and hopefully this brand new truck will turn out to be a winner. It's not really the color that I wanted, but I'm not going to be picky about colors, because the only thing a color is a color. And you know, if I want to change the color, I mean, I can do that if I want to, but I'm not gonna. All I can tell everybody out there is you've got to stand up for yourself. It's a dog-eat-dog world, and nobody cares for you. A lot of you people out there are going to say you took it the wrong way. You should have handled it this way. You shouldn't have been so loud, rude, and inconsiderate. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to argue that fact, because that's the only way you can fucking be in today's society. Now, if this was 30 years ago, 35, 40 years ago, you know, when I was a little kid, and, you know, we were all having a good time, and people were out there helping people out, and, you know, if you saw somebody with a flat tire on the road, you pull over and help them. If it was that kind of situation, you know, then it probably would have been a different deal. But in today's society, no. I'm not gonna fucking go for it. I'm taking this truck in, I'm getting rid of this truck, I'm getting a new truck, and we're gonna go down the fucking road. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully this truck will last. If I have problems with this truck, I mean, I don't know. I really fucking don't know. All right, well, it's a done deal. The red truck's gone. It's a sad situation, but it's a happy deal. We did get the hood fixed. It's a done deal. I got the orange tag on. This vehicle is not for sale. You can see it right there. Yep. So the lemon law has paid off for my friend Pete. And we got the new truck right here. Same thing, Power Wagon, Dodge, black, fully loaded. It's a good trade. It's an honest trade. It's a trade that says my friend Pete came out on top. Okay, what's up, dude?
What's going on?
Shaq the man, where are you? What's going on? Salesman Shaq, you sold me 3 cars. You thought I was an asshole at first, but I turned out to be a good guy.
You are? Yes, you are.
Am I right?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
everybody out there, is my friend Pete a good guy or bad guy?
Mr. Hughes is actually great
All right.
dude.
You gotta understand the situation. We've had a lot of stress, Shaq.
I know.
Okay,
I'm sure
but
that
where are we gonna go eat?
anywhere you want.
Okay, what happened to my seat, dude? What is all that?
Yeah, I was trying to clean up some stuff.
Oh,
I guess.
shit.
Yeah, no, that's all right.
Is it gonna be okay?
Yeah, yeah.
What is all that white stuff?
Just napkin.
Okay.
I'm trying to get some stuff.
All right, that's okay. I trust you, Shaq. I'm not gonna bitch about that, but all right, all right. Okay, so this concludes this little video set. And if you think you're getting ripped off, and you think that your truck or your car's a lemon, fight back, bitch. Because you're the only motherfucker that's gonna take care of the situation and do it right. All right, well, here we are, driving down the road in our brand new Dodge Power Wagon. And it looks like everything seems to be working good. We don't have no problems, no electrical issues, no front end issues. You can see the steering wheel straight. So everything's looking good. And we're actually heading home. I mean, I don't know how many times I got to tell people out there that if you want something done, you've got to stand up for yourself. If you want to take action, then action's got to be taken. And that's all I can tell you. You only live once in life, and it's your hard-earned money that you're spending, and it's your situation that says you got to be in control, because nobody else is going to do it for you. I'm really actually surprised that they got on this situation this fast, but it's a done deal, it's over, and hopefully this truck will work out for us. because we got a lot of heavy loads to go out to Moab, Utah from Dallas, Texas. Take it easy, my friend Pete, your friend Pete. Getting her done, doing it right, because if we're not doing it right, we definitely ain't doing it at all.